Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure power isn't the problem. Charge the Skullcandy Dime to at least half and open your iPhone's Bluetooth menu so you can see devices immediately. Put the earbuds in the case, then press and hold the button on the case until the LED flashes. This forces pairing mode. Once you see the flashing light, keep the iPhone nearby and don't close settings. Staying on the Bluetooth screen lets you act the moment the earbuds broadcast themselves. Once the dime appears under other devices, tap its name to initiate pairing. This is the house step for connecting. The iPhone negotiates the link automatically, exchange keys, and then shows a connected status. You'll hear a confirmation chime from the earbuds confirming the link. Make sure audio output switches to the earbuds in Control Center. If media still plays from iPhone speakers, select the dime there. Keep Bluetooth on for future automatic reconnect. Finish by testing audio and the mic in a short call or video. This confirms both media and call profiles are working. If pairing fails, reset the dime by holding the case button for 10 seconds to clear stored pairings, then retry. This resolves most handshake problems. If the iPhone still won't connect, tap the info icon next to the dime in Bluetooth, choose Forget this device, restart the iPhone, and pair again. This clears cached Bluetooth states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.